How's it going? It's been a while since I made a video, uploaded anything to the channel. Not dead, just, I don't know, got busy with working in the summertime and just didn't have enough money to buy anything since everything was so damn expensive. But this here is a 1998 GMC Sierra. It's been sitting since Friday afternoon sometime here. It's been -0 here. Last few days, I believe it's about 3 degrees out now. So I figured I'll just do a little video here and maybe give you an update soon. See how she does. Not bad. Sun out of the way here. 227,582 miles. The heat cranking up here. Gotta get some different tires put on it. Gotta get the 4-wheel drive on it fixed too. I'm thinking it's the actuator went bad in it or something along those lines, but damn camera can focus. There we go. Ended up paying $1,000 for it. Needed a few things here or there. Not too much rust on it. Yeah. Nice new valve put on it. Had brand new wheels last year. This is Z71. Yeah, I think when I get the 4-wheel drive fixed, put some different tires on it. I got the tires sitting in the garage. And it should be a unit. Because I mean, honestly, it's pretty damn useless with it being open dip and there being ice on the ground. But I guess I'm gonna let it warm up here for a little bit, and maybe I'll have to do an update video one of these days. But I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.